All right, guys, welcome back. Chief Kirk for Kravology. So today I want to talk about long line, short line. If you're familiar with Krav Maga, basically what we do when we have a weapon pointed at us, like a handgun or a long gun, we look for the long or the short line to take the gun off of. And there's been some confusion in class lately about what that means and how it might change based on angle. So I'm going to bring James in. He's got a long gun. It's a training gun with him. And let's get right here. Okay. Now, I don't know if you can see, the gun is pointed sort of right here into my right side chest. Go ahead. Right. So this is the short line. The long line is from the gun over across my body this way, right? So if I was making a defense, I'd want to make a defense this way, because the muzzle leaves the body on the short line, which means I'm out of the line of fire in the shortest amount of time. However, if James stays just the way he is, and the long line is here, so James, could you sweep the long line with the gun for us? Okay, that's a pretty big movement. Do it one more time. Good. All right, now, I'm going to keep the long line here. I'm going to just turn this way. Now can you sweep the long line? Get right to the, yeah, it's really small, isn't it? One more time. Be much smaller. So we understand this is still a short path, but there's two dynamics in play we need to figure out. The first one is, if I want to push the gun off this way, I don't want to do something like this, right? As I reach for the gun, I'm starting to drag my body back into the line of fire. So I'm making a longer line again. So I'm actually going into the long line, which is not a good idea. Conversely, if I'm able to take the gun and move it, well, it should be out right there, yes? Just that much. By making a body defense, I can go in and make a defense. So whether it's a handgun or a long gun, the concept of long line and short line always hold in that, all things being equal, you should take the muzzle of the gun off the shortest line. But understand that the long line facing someone can become a shorter line based on the angle. If you have trouble with this, when you're training, ask your training partner to trace the line with the muzzle of the gun. And it'll become apparent to you where the short line is and where the long line is. That's all I have for today. Any comments, James? All right. As always, walk in peace.